Different people are coming to your office every night, so we keep the same people, the same crews on the job. So typically we have one primary cleaner and 2 or 3 who are already trained in the space. So if there's a call out or if there's sick day or a vacation day, that we know who's already going to be subbed in. So we try to think about those things beforehand. We have a big list of when we onboard a new client, we have all of that in place. Another way that you know it's time to change your cleaner is that you are constantly repeating and emailing them about the same kind of issues: a missed trash, a missed corner, a missed bathroom. The supplies in the bathroom aren't stocked, and it's just those little things that are repetitive, that are easy to track that they could be doing and that they aren't doing. So if that happens over and over, even when you communicate, it's time to change your cleaning company out. How do you know it's time to change your cleaning company? When there's no manager or there's no supervisor that you've ever seen on site. There's no one giving you a report. There's no one tracking the GPS of the workers. There's no one who can answer a question about if there's an issue with your invoice, if there's an issue with your payment, if there's an issue with your supplies. There's just no one to talk to. So sometimes there are cleaning companies out there who just send an individual cleaner who is not really responsible to anyone, and that's a sign to probably change out your cleaning company. That if you run a corporate, commercial, serious office space, it's time to have a commercial office cleaner in your space. So that's the difference with us.